Hello, this is Avi Ben David at Mulholland, and I want to show you work that is done out of stainless, and just warn people that stainless is just less stains, but it's still getting stainy, like you can see it in here and here. So you gotta be kind of watch for those things. Those stainless comes in different grades, and you need to also know how to work with it in order for it not to look like that. But in most cases, I would say in about 90% of stainless cases, when they use for gates and fencings and railings, you're gonna end up having this kind of situation. It's hard to get away from not having it, and just watch it, make sure whoever's doing it for you not using any tools or anything that touched iron before, because once the iron goes into the material, that's what can create the stain. So that's about it. Real quick lesson about stainless. Give us a call if you need help, 1-800-5625-770, and usually the aluminum products can be better for coastal areas.